Lubbers. I want you all to know who's in charge around here. It's me, see, Captain Long John Silver. And you can probably tell that I'm not a guy to be mucked around. So if there's any funny business, you know, escaping and all that, you'd answer to me. I would also like you to know that you're going to be sold as slaves when we arrive at Calamari. So make the most of it.
Excuse me?
Yes?
How's it hanging?
What?
I said, how's it hanging?
How's what hanging?
You know, it.
Great. We've only got 2 slaves and one of them's insane.
He's calling me insane. Excuse me?
Quiet, fool! I'm thinking! And I hate fools talking while I'm thinking!
Don't I know you from somewhere?
I said quiet, fool! I'm trying to work out a way to escape!
Can't you make us an armoured truck from 3 egg boxes and a toilet roll?
I would, if I could find a light for my blowtorch.
I suppose this is my only option, really. Here goes. Hocus pocus, alakazam, magic, magic, get me out of this jam. What do you know? It worked. Sooty, eat your heart out. I've left the skull but taken the eye patch.